Hello everyone. I usually write email about 3 or 4 times a week. I often send email to my teacher and classmates to discuss school achievement or group projects. I have two email accounts. One is for study and other is for personal use. The study email is the one I use most often. Mm, I use email to send homework and for job, and sometimes to contact companies for information. I think email are very helpful and professional. They help people communicate clear, um, clearly and keep a record of messages. In my opinion, email are still very important every result. People use social media a lot today. They are more formal and convenient for work and study. Thank you for listening.